Hello, and welcome to Sorting Algorithms in Java. My name is Brendan Campbell. I'm from moderntome.com. Let's get started. So why should you learn sorting algorithms? First of all, it's a great introduction to algorithms in general. Algorithms are essential to any software engineer or programmer who really wants to dive into something in-depth, deep into the programming industry. And sorting algorithms are some of the simplest, so it's a great start. And sorting algorithms are also relevant to many real-world problems. For example, if you need to sort a set of numbers in order, either ascending or descending. And for that matter, if you have a database and you have a list of people you want to sort alphabetically, or even by some of their numerical information, sorting algorithms will obviously help you do that. And lastly, if you have, say, a deck of cards, you'd be able to sort that in order via your program and your algorithm. Yes, it's true. Sorting algorithms are already included in Java. But that doesn't mean you don't have to learn them. Why should you learn them from scratch? First of all, Java, of course, is not the only programming language. So if you ever move on to another programming language besides Java, these tutorials could be very useful for you. It also helps to know how code works on the back end. It's going to make you a more well-versed programmer, and in general, your code will actually improve whether you notice it or not. Just trust me. And also, it's some sort of intellectual stimulation to learn these from scratch. If you're curious, if you're intellectually motivated like myself, this course and these tutorials will be very interesting and useful to you. So who should watch these tutorials? You're going to want to have a Java background, or at least a coding background in general. So of course, variables, loops, and arrays are essential to these algorithms. I also recommend at least a basic knowledge of recursion. It won't hurt you too much if you don't know, but it comes into play in at least two of the tutorials in this course, and it would be helpful if you knew some recursion. I also encourage that you have a firm math background, or at the very least, a theoretical, procedural-based mindset. And lastly, I just ask that you are willing to learn. If you're a dedicated learner, you should succeed in this course. So what are you going to learn? We're going to first learn bubble sort, then insertion sort, and lastly, merge sort. So these are three of the most simple sorting algorithms. So I think this is a great starting place for some algorithm newbies, and it's going to really help you get your feet wet in the algorithm game. So we're going to take a two-pronged approach in this course. We're going to first learn a theoretical implementation of each of these three sorting algorithms, so bubble sort, insertion sort, and merge sort. So I'm going to explain how they work and give you a visual demonstration. And then we're going to jump into the code implementation, and this is where the Java comes into play. So even if you don't have a firm Java background and you say no another programming language, then you should still be able to follow along. So we're first going to start with bubble sort in the next tutorial. I hope to see you there.